On 22nd of July 2011, Norway was attacked.
There was a terrorist who brought a bomb and parked outside Høyblokken.
8 people were killed, and later on the same night, the terrorist went to Utøya and killed 69 young people.
Jens Stoltenberg, who was the prime minister at the time, he had a really memorable speech directly after the terrorist action, where he said that our answer is more democracy, more openness, and more humanity.
But not naivety. And I think that's the basis that we build this project on.
Symbolically, it was really important for Norway and Oslo to reclaim this area for the Norwegian democracy.
The brief from Statsbygg was very clear. We had to create this new government quarter in the heart of Oslo, and this new quarter should be both safe and secure, and open and inviting.
It's at the same time as we're kind of repairing the urban grid for this area, we're also making a decision-making machine, because the ministries, they need to communicate with each other, not in silos, but several ministries at the same time. And with this building, it's 7 buildings, but it's actually just one house. They can meet in our collaboration district.
It's an area on the first floor of all of the buildings that are connected by bridges. And now they're all going to be sort of joined here in the new government quarter, where they can sort of walk inside throughout all the buildings and connect and hopefully collaborate a lot easier than they could before.
I think this project will prove that the architecture and the buildings and the design set the scene for how democracy might work. And the openness and not hiding the sort of politics away from the people, I think will benefit how we run this country. And I think these sort of spatial arrangements are things that other countries, cities, even offices can learn from us, and how to create democratic spaces.